Hi, it's Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Today I'd like to give you a brief introduction to patio furniture covers. Welcome to my shop. So patio furniture covers can be extremely useful for protecting your investment in patio furniture, helping to protect against the sun, rain, snow, and even sometimes just dirt in general. So we like these woven polyester covers made by Classic Accessories. This is the Ravina collection. Has a nice look to it, a good hand. You can feel the sturdiness of the canvas. They have a nice woven handle that's slightly padded also for comfort, putting the handles on and off the furniture. And then also they have these clips in the corners, so you'll put these around the legs and be able to tighten them down. So in a windy condition like near the ocean, you know, your covers won't blow away, which is really useful. I've heard that story many a time where the covers flew right off the furniture. So let's start by showing you how one of these will measure and install. So to make sure you're ordering the right covers, you'll need to take a few measurements. Usually have to compromise a little bit on size. You know, it's rare that we find a perfect fit for covers, but you can come pretty close and then they'll look right when they're not in use. So of course you'll need the width. Just get the overall width. If it's wider in the front of the arm or the back of the arm, make sure you measure the widest spot of the chair. And then the depth is important. You'll measure from front to back. If the leg sticks out a little bit, don't be as concerned if it's low, but a few inches off the ground. You want to get to the widest point within the top 2/3 of the chair. And then also the height of the chair too, so that you don't have the cover dragging on the ground is the ideal scenario. Not always possible, but you know, ideally that's what you want to shoot for. So with those 3 dimensions, you can look and shop for the proper cover that'll fit your patio chair. And then I'll show you installation of one now too. So here's the lounge chair, also sometimes called a club chair, from this Ravina collection. So we'll unload this. Let's see here. We'll slide this cover over. So when properly fitted, you can see that the cover fits nicely. It's made at a slight angle. And then here are those straps that I was speaking of too. So these will wrap around the leg. And you can pull it tight to secure it best, you know, to your furniture. By doing this in the 4 corners, you'll make sure that the cover cannot fly away if the windy conditions come up. These are also, in the back here, there's a vent, you know, which helps airflow, so inside it doesn't get too humid in there if possible. You want to be careful when you do put your protective covers on your furniture. You want it to be really as dry as possible. You don't want to lock in moisture and then cause kind of a very humid environment. That can cause mildew, you know, in the long run. So another nice feature of the Ravina covers is the pull cord here, which helps you to tighten it and therefore keeping it off the ground. So you can pull that good and tight, and that way your cover's not dragging on the ground and getting dirtier also. Well, I hope these tips are helpful in buying your patio furniture covers. Thanks for watching. See you next time.